Do you know that there is a free Calendly alternative in your Google account which you can use completely for free? Don't believe me? Wait and watch the full video where I'm going to show you guys how you can set up a booking appointment within your Google Calendar account, and it's super simple to use, and you don't need to have a tool like Calendly or any other paid tool, right? You can do that completely for free. So if you want to learn, make sure to watch the complete video and do not forget to subscribe the channel if you want to watch more videos like this. So here I am on calendar.google.com, and in order to set up a booking appointment page, which you can also embed on your website, all you have to do is just click on this plus sign where it says create appointment scheduler, right? Once you click on this sign, you can see that you can add the title, and here you have these booking slots which you can add on your calendar, and you can then share it with your users. Now, here we have the option to change the appointment duration. If your calls are mostly 30 minutes or 15 minutes or 1 hour, you can select any duration of the appointment based on your requirement. I'm going to select the title to be sales calls appointment. And normally the sales calls which I take is like around 30 minutes. So I'm going to select 30 minutes. Repeat weekly, that's fine. And these are the working hours, but my working hours are a little different. So I'm going to select 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. So let's select the time to be 11 a.m. and then 8 p.m. And my Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday routine is same. So what I'm going to do, I'm simply going to click on this copy time to all, and it is going to copy the same time to all. And the Sunday is unavailable, but if you want to add 1 hour or 2 hour on any day, you can simply click on plus sign and add in that time. But I'm not going to add anything for Sunday and Saturday because I am not available on Saturday on Sunday. And this is for repeat weekly, meaning if you want to repeat, this is scheduled for every single week, you can simply select repeat weekly. Otherwise, if you select does not repeat, it is not going to repeat for the next day or next week, right? So you want it to be repeat weekly, and it is going to repeat weekly. Here you can select your time zone based on your own calendar, and this is where the scheduling window is. So you can have maximum time in advance that can be booked. So it is set to 60 days, meaning if someone wants to book an appointment after 60 days, they can find that in your calendar and book in the time. If you want to change the number of days here, you can simply change it here. I would like to have it 2 weeks. I'm going to select 14 days. So only 2 weeks appointment calendar is scheduled. Otherwise, it is not available for them to book. It's not going to show up in the calendar. And minimum time, meaning they just need to have 4 hours window before the booking. They cannot book the meeting for very next hour, meaning if someone comes into the calendar 3 p.m, they cannot book in for 4 p.m. They will be booking that for 7 p.m. So they need to have a 4 hours in between time. Here we have change a date's availability, meaning you have your calendar selected, everything is set up, but if you want to change a 1 day availability, you can simply click on change a date's availability or choose any future date. And for that, you can add a different appointment window or different times when you are available for specific dates, right? So that's how you can do that. Again, you can click on plus sign and you can add multiple time slots for a specific day as well. And here we have book appointment settings, meaning if you want to add in a buffer time. So if someone books a call 11 a.m. and then there is another call 12 p.m, you will hardly have any time to prepare for the call, right? Here you can have a buffer time, meaning it is going to add a gap of 15 minutes or 30 minutes, whatever you want to add in. I am comfortable preparing for a different call within 15 minutes. So it is going to have buffer time of 15 minutes. So if one call is ended, it is going to have 15 minute buffer time before the next call starts. Maximum booking per day, meaning how many bookings you can take per day. If you are capable enough to take like full 8 bookings a day, you don't need to check that out. But if you are not capable of that, you just need to have 4 calls a day, you can add in this check mark here or add in the number of preferred maximum bookings per day. I don't need it here, so I'm going to uncheck it. And here is to invite the guest, meaning if guest whoever joined the Google Meet want to invite other to that same call, you will need to check it. Otherwise, you can simply uncheck. I'm going to uncheck because mostly the sales call is 101, which we are interacting for the first time. Perfect. Now click on next. Here we have the customization feature. So that is the name and that is the logo, which will be pulled up from your Gmail email details. And here the location and conferencing, I'm going to select Google Meet here. You can add in other if you want, but as we are doing it online, so I'm going to select Google Meet video conferencing. Here you can add in the description of your appointment calendar. I'm going to leave it as it is for now. And here is the booking form. Now it is going to collect first name, last name, email, but you can add more items if you want to add in custom fields. So click on add item. And I'm going to add in the phone number field, which is also required. And I'm also going to add question field. So for the custom item, I'm going to add question. If you want it to be required, I think it's better to make it optional. Click on add item. And if you want to add in more custom item, you can do that as well, like reason of call or whatever booking form options you want to add in. If you want required email verification feature, you will need to explore the paid plan. And if you click on that, it will take you to the paid plan. There are some extra features which you will be getting in the paid plan. So if we scroll down here, we have the payments and cancellation policy. Unfortunately, it is not available in the free version, but again, you can have it for just a little amount of money. You click on upgrade and it will have an option for payment and collection policy, meaning if you are providing appointment or paid before giving an appointment, you would like to be paid, you can simply set up a payment gateway here and you can connect your Stripe account, or if you have PayPal, I don't know if they support PayPal, but the Stripe is mentioned, so you can connect your Stripe and directly get paid within your Google Calendar. This is for booking confirmation and reminders. It is going to send the email with the calendar invitation. So these are all of the free features which you will be getting in Google Calendar. But again, if you want to have a required email verification, if you want to receive payments, you can move on to the paid plan. Now click on save. And here our booking appointment is ready. Our sales call appointment calendar is ready and we can preview it by clicking on this preview link. So you can simply share this link with anyone and they will have this calendar showing up like this and they can click on it and book up any of the slot. So let's say if I want to book a call at 2:45 p.m., I'm going to select this here, fill up the form and then click on book and it will book that slot to my calendar, same as Calendly. I think it's much better than Calendly, I would say. And we also have some other option like we can embed that in our web as well. So if you open up this link here and click on share, you can see that we have this option of website embed and inline booking page. So that is the code which you can add on your WordPress website and embed on your WordPress website as well. And this is the button with pop-up. So that is the code. If you want to place this button on your website, all you have to do is just copy this code present here and it will be showing up this button here. And when someone clicks on it, your calendar will be showing up like this and anyone can book up a slot. So that's how easy it is. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to actually embed that into WordPress website. I'm going to create another video with more detail and show you guys how you can embed that on the WordPress website. It's pretty simple. Click on share and then click on website embed. And here you have inline booking page. All you have to do is just copy and paste this code anywhere of your WordPress Gutenberg or anywhere you want to embed that. You can similarly do that with book an appointment. All you have to do is just copy this code and paste it on your WordPress website. And that's it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments below. Until next video, have a great day.